get a little video of the exhaust here. Turbo seal problem I'm having. A little bit of smoke puffing out of there. That's all turbo seals. But it was a $30 eBay turbo that was freshly rebuilt and unbalanced, and I got a year out of it at about 15 pounds, so I'm not complaining.